What if your crypto could work for you, day and night without trading or stressing over market charts? Imagine waking up and seeing your wallet grow while you sleep. In 2025, this isn't a dream. It's real and thousands are doing it. In this video, I'm revealing 7 proven strategies to build passive income through crypto this year. Let's dive in. Welcome to Kryptonite, where we help you mine smarter, earn passively, and stay ahead in the blockchain world. If you're tired of missing out or getting wrecked, this is your new home. So hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's build wealth the smart way. What is passive income in crypto? Let's get clear. Passive income in crypto doesn't mean magic money falling from the sky. It means setting up systems where your crypto generates returns without constant effort. This could be staking, lending, yield farming, or even AI trading bots. Some are low risk, some high. Some need just $100 to start. But all of them give your crypto the power to work for you, hands off. Crypto staking, set it and earn. Staking is like earning interest for locking up your crypto. You help secure the blockchain, and in return, you get rewards. In 2025, staking is more accessible than ever. Platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and even hardware wallets like Ledger let you stake coins like ETH, ADA, and SOL with ease. You can earn 4% to 12% AP depending on the token. Just be aware, some coins require lockup periods. If you pull out early, you lose rewards. It's simple, it's stable. It's a great place to start. Yield farming, higher rewards, higher risk. Ready for something more rewarding but also riskier? Welcome to yield farming. You lend your crypto to liquidity pools, usually on platforms like PancakeSwap or Curve. In return, you earn rewards in the form of new tokens. Some farms offer double-digit or even triple-digit APYs. But beware of impermanent loss. This happens when the value of your deposited tokens shifts drastically, causing unexpected losses. Use tools like beefy.finance to automate and manage risks. If you do your research, yield farming can become a serious passive earner. Lending your crypto for passive interest. You've heard of banks offering interest. Crypto does it better. You can lend your stable coins or altcoins on platforms like AV, Compound, or CeFi sites like Nexo and Binance Earn. They pay you interest while borrowers use your funds secured by smart contracts or collateral. Stable coins like USDC and DAI often yield 6 to 10%, which beats traditional banks easily. This strategy is safer if you stick to trusted platforms and avoid unverified projects. No trading needed, just lend and earn. Running a validator node or delegating. Want to level up? Run your own validator node. Networks like Cosmos, Solana, and Avalanche allow it, but you'll need technical know-how and enough tokens to stake. The upside? You earn a chunk of the rewards and support decentralization. Not techie? No problem. Just delegate your tokens to a validator using platforms like Kepler or Phantom. You still earn rewards without the setup headache. AI trading bots, set and forget? AI is changing everything, including crypto income. Platforms like Krail, Pionex, and 3 Commas now let you run automated bots that buy and sell based on market signals. Some bots even use machine learning to improve over time. You choose the strategy, set your limits, and let the bot do the work. But always monitor performance. AI is smart, but not perfect. Use small amounts, test often, and scale what works. Mining and liquid. Staking as passive streams. Mining in 2025 is no longer just about Bitcoin. With coins like Kaspa, Ironfish, and Aleo gaining traction, GPU and ASIC miners are still earning well, especially with cheap electricity. If you don't want hardware, try liquid staking. It lets you stake ETH or SOL while still using your tokens in DeFi. Lido, Rocket Pool, and Stater offer these services, giving you both flexibility and yield. This is next-level passive income with lower friction. Pro tips to maximize your crypto income. Don't put all your funds into one strategy. Diversify across staking, lending, and farming for balance. Reinvest your earnings to compound over time. Use tools like Zapper or DeBank to track everything in one dashboard, and always monitor changes in APYs, token value, and platform reputation. Staying informed boosts your ROI and protects your capital. risks, and what to avoid. Let's be real, passive doesn't mean risk-free. Scams, rug pulls, and smart contract bugs still exist. Avoid platforms with zero transparency or insane APYs that sound too good to be true. Never give custody of your coins to anyone promising magical profits. Keep your private keys secure and use hardware wallets when possible. A little caution now saves you thousands later. Real passive income setups. Here's a simple example. $500 in ETH staked at 5% equals $25 per year. $300 in USDC lending at 8% equals $24 per year. $200 in auto yield farm at 12% equals $24 per year. That's $73 per year passively from just $1,000 without active trading. Imagine scaling this to $5,000 or $10,000 with compounding. Final thoughts. Which strategy is best? Each method has its pros and cons. If you're risk-averse, staking and lending are perfect. If you like high returns and are willing to learn, yield farming and bots can be powerful. The key is to start small, keep learning, and build your system step by step. Passive income in crypto isn't just hype. It's a real path to financial freedom. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into crypto income strategies. And if you want the safest wallets to store your earnings, check out this next video on best crypto wallets for 2025. See you there, and happy earning.